Master Chef. Tonight we'll be meeting 3 of Britain's most innovative new chefs. And so without any further ado, let's go over now to the Red Kitchen and meet the first of our new chefs, Joan Baptiste. Hello, Joan. Well, this first dish here is not only innovative, it looks absolutely delicious. So, tell us about it, Joan.
This is a faith play in the form of Jesus Christ for children to learn the story of Jesus.
Okay, right. Now I can instantly see that it's got 2 eggs for eyes, a tomato, and a sausage.
The story unfolds. See, the people follow him, he is happy. See, they betray him, he is sad. See, his eyes are lovely and open.
Yeah, okay, I can see the eyes there. Look at that.
Oh, he's bloody crying now.
But these ears here, they look really realistic. What are they made of?
No sacrifice is too great for Jesus.
God. And I did not make your stupid dinner cry, okay? Let's move on now to our second chef. It's Quentin Mint.
Yeah?
Hello, Quentin.
Hello, my dear fellow. How are you?
Hello. And what have we got here?
Why don't you take a look for yourself?
My God! It's not, is it?
I rather think it is, sir.
Okay, well, how innovative. Let's take a slice.
No, don't do that. Oh, very
What
we have no other
cheek.
option.
Okay, moving on to our final chef of the evening. In the blue kitchen, it's Lucas Bonchon, who's world famous for his exquisitely designed replica cakes and puddings. And I don't think anybody could fail to see what this one is supposed to be.
That's right, Lord. It's cake and show. It's a show cake. Cake like a show. Show cake. Cake and show.
Well, it certainly is very realistic. So let's take a slice. Lucas, this is a shoe.
No, it's a show cake. It's a cake like a show.
Show me your feet. Look, it's a shoe. Lucas, does this mean that I ate a pair of trousers in your restaurant last week?
No, Lord, cake and trousers. Trouser cake. It's cake like trousers. Trousers, but a cake. Look, try this one. I've got a cakey for you, Lloyd. Try that. Cakey foot.
Lucas, you're just a fakey cake maker, and I ain't got time for you. Well, I think you'll agree we've seen some very innovative dishes tonight. And all that remains is the difficult task of choosing a winner. Well, I just cogitated. And the winner tonight is Quentin Mint. Well done, Quentin. And I can't wait to get stuck into his dish.